I totally forgot about question 85 from the January 2019 Regents exam, and thanks to one of my amazing YouTubers for pointing that out. Let's go over this question. 85 is asking about a fraction of the radioisotope radium-228 that remains unchanged after 17.4 years. This is total time, 17.4 years. And in order to figure this out, I'm going to need the half-life in years for the isotope. There are two ways I'm going to show you. You can choose which one works best for you. You will get to the same answer. First way is just to write two columns, one for mass and one for time. Now, it's asking fraction. So instead of giving us a mass in grams, we're starting with 1. Time, we're starting at 0 and we're going into the future. And what's going to happen is on the mass side, we're going to have, right, hence half-life, the mass as we hit a half-life, and with time, we add. 5.8 years goes by, and approximately half of the original sample has transformed into a different isotope. Another 5.8 years goes by, so we're adding here. That would be 5.8 plus 5.8. We're at 11.6 years. We have half of a half, which is 1/4. And then finally, another 5.8 years goes by. We're going to add that to 11.6, and we're going to end up at 17.4 years. And we're going to have half of the quarter, which is 1/8. So 1/8 is our answer. Mass column, time column. Let me show you now the other way that you can work through this question. You're given the total time elapsed and you have the half-life. I show my students a mathematical equation. Number of half-lives is equal to total time over half-life. So in this question, we're going to take the 17.4 years and we are going to divide it by 5.8 years. And the number of half-lives is 3. Now we have to do something with that. We're given that we're looking for the fraction. We're starting with the whole thing, which is number 1. We go through one half-life, we're at a half. We go through a second half-life, we're at a quarter. We go through the third half-life, and we have an eighth. So the answer is 1/8 either way. Thanks so much for watching. Keep working hard, and good luck.